In this video, we will show you how to create a realistic action plan for your goals. Setting goals is a great way to motivate yourself and set direction in your life, but a goal without a plan is just a dream. That's where an action plan comes in. Firstly, you need to identify your specific goals. What do you want to accomplish? Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals that align with your values and priorities. Write down your goals in a journal, a planner, or a digital document, so you can refer to them later. Next, break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks that you can tackle one at a time. This will prevent you from feeling overwhelmed or discouraged. Use a mind map, a flowchart, or a project management tool to visualize your tasks and track your progress. Then, set deadlines for your tasks and hold yourself accountable to them. Use a calendar, an app, or a timer to schedule your tasks and stick to them. Be realistic about how much time and effort each task will take, and prioritize the tasks that are most important or urgent. Regularly measure your progress towards your goals and adjust your action plan accordingly. Celebrate your successes and learn from your failures. Use metrics, feedback, or self-reflection to evaluate your performance and identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you can create a realistic action plan that will help you achieve your goals. Remember to stay motivated, focused, and flexible. Don't give up if you encounter obstacles or setbacks, but keep learning and growing. Thank you for watching this video on how to create a realistic action plan for your goals.